Deciding your future while in secondary school can be hard. There are so many career options, it's tricky to know which path to take. That's where South West TAFE can help. Vocational education and training delivered at TAFE, known as VET, allows you to experience an industry 1 day per week while you continue studying at school.
So I chose VET in schools because I think it's a great opportunity for me. I talked to my careers teacher about it, so I'm at school 3 days a week and at a work placement on a Tuesday, and then I'll do TAFE on Thursday, so it kind of links in with my work placement. I've learned how to do a full set of makeup, like I did not know how to do that. And I've also done my hair course, so I've learned a lot through that.
Get hands-on, learn practical skills, and have the chance to try out something you think you might like with no downside at South West TAFE. If you want to continue studying after school at university or TAFE, the practical training you receive will complement your TAFE certificate, diploma, or uni degree. Any way you look at it, a VET qualification along with your VCE gives you a head start.
Favourite thing about VET in schools is being really hands-on. The teachers are very engaging and you learn lots. I would highly recommend this course. It's very enjoyable and learn a lot of life skills.
Uncover your potential. What have you got to lose? Visit vetdss.swtafe.edu.au to see the range of courses available and talk to your school's careers counsellor about getting yourself enrolled into a VET program at South West TAFE.